Menstruation is a periodical vaginal bleeding that occurs in women under a certain age. Every menstruation, 50 to 90 ml blood is lost, which can be used to test for various conditions. There are certain diseases like cancer, reproductive diseases, STI, which have no prominent symptoms and are generally detected when a woman becomes infertile, but can be diagnosed easily using clear markers present in menstrual blood. Women's physiology changes at different stages of life like marriage, pregnancy, and menopause. Our stakeholders are women in the age group of 12 to 25. One of our solutions exploits the knowledge of the connection of the color of the menstrual blood with the health of a woman. Each of the color depicts certain health conditions. The steps include: get smart disposal package, hold the used sanitary napkin, put the napkin inside the package, move the slider to the matched color. Once the user moves the slider to the matching color of the palette, the data of the color chosen is synced with the mobile application, which updates the health status of the user. Another prototype includes designing a resistance-based textile pH sensor, which could possibly sense the different body fluids. We have selected 4 body fluids, namely sweat, vaginal secretion, blood and urine, water being at neutral pH. We will be requiring reusable pads and conductive threads for the implementation of our idea. Our device consists of a touch sensor integrated with it, which senses when the user is wearing the sanitary napkin. It also consists of sensors for measuring body temperature. We have integrated conductive threads in the prototype, which acts as markers to measure blood flow. As the flow increases, the area occupied by the discharge on the napkin increases too. The markers are put in a fashion so as to record flow on each day of the user's cycle, depending on whether that marker is reached by the discharge or not. The marker sends this information to the application integrated with our device. The device via the mobile application records the time at which each of the marker is crossed by the discharge. Blood flow is an important marker in itself, since irregular menstruation cycles along with a persistent or heavy flow can signal health conditions like PCOD. Our application tells the user about her blood flow details and keeps her informed about whether she needs to consult a doctor. Our application visualizes data received from the wearable device both pictorially and graphically. In the graphical form, it also compares the data from user's present cycle with data from 2 older cycles in order to make the user better understand the variation in her blood flow on a daily basis. Temperature graphs are also present which show any fluctuations in the body temperature. The application also sends a reminder to the user to change their napkin if a particular marker is crossed. From gross and taboo to normal to potentially life-saving, periods are pretty cool. Period.